Hello बच्चों, today I will start exercise 2.28b. In this exercise we will learn about the trigonometric ratios of certain specific angles. Those angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. There is specific table which is also has been explained in the table like this. I am just showing you for the sake of understanding. You will have to actually learn these values. This I am writing sine, this side 0 degree, 30, 45, 60, 90. Then sine 0 means 0, sine 30 means 1 upon 2, this is 1 upon root 2. Sine of this angle, sine of 60 is under root 3 upon 2, sine 90 is 1. In the same manner cos 90, cos 0 is 1, this is under root 3 by 2, this is 1 upon root 2, this is 1 upon 2 and this is 0. It means if there is in our question it is given cos 45, we will write cos 45 is equal to 1 upon root 2. We will substitute this value. These two values are for sine and cos. Tan also can be learned. This is 0, this is 1 upon under root 3, this is 1 under root 3 and it is infinite. This symbol is for infinite. Infinite means you can also say undefined. This value is undefined. Numerically it can't be expressed. Now let us take some questions. There is no special concept for the solving of questions. Simply you have to substitute the value and solve the question. Let us take question number 1. Exercise 8b, question 1. That is, find the value of expression is given sine 60, cos 30 plus cos 60 into sine 30. Now you have to substitute values of these specific trigonometric ratio from the table. Sine 60 means root 3 by 2. Actually in the beginning you can take help of the table and 2-3 times when you will go through this you will be remembering these values. So directly you can substitute root 3 upon 2, cos 30 is also under root 3 upon 2, cos 60 is 1 upon 2 into sin 30 1 upon 2. Now simply this is a multiplication between these two values. Dot means multiplication actually. This is 3 upon 4, this is 1 upon 4. 4 LCM 3 plus 1. 4 upon 4, this will be cancelled, 1 is the answer. In this manner you can solve all the questions. Let us take now question number 11. All questions are simple, nothing special, that's why I am skipping so much questions. Question 11 is given, show that cos 30 is equal to under root 1 plus cos 60 upon 2. Now this you will have to solve like LHS is equal to cos 30 and value of cos 30 is under root 3 by 2, this one. Now there is nothing to be calculated. Now RHS you have to calculate. It is given under root 1 plus cos 60 upon 2. Now simplify this. Cos 1 plus cos 60 1 upon 2 upon 2 upon line, this is 2 in the denominator. Now take LCM 2, 1 2 plus 1. This will become 3 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 after solving. This is actually coming under root 3 upon 2. When these two numerical values are coming similar, hence this is given expression is correct. In these two manners you should solve the questions. Now take question number 13. Question 13 saying if A is equal to 30 degree, value of angle A has been given 30, then show that cos 3A is equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. It does mean LHS will be equal to cos 3A. 3A means in place of A you will substitute 30. Cos 3 into 30, this is cos 90, that is cos 90 is 0. This expression is also to come 0. RHS you have to solve. How to solve? Simply write the values. Cos cube a minus 3 cos a. 4 into 30 cos 30 means under root 3 upon 4 2 whole square minus 3 into 1 cos 30. Then what is the value will come? 4 into, when you it is cube, when you will multiply 3 times this one, this will be 3 under root 3 upon 4 minus 3 into under root 3 by 2. This will be 2 to the 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8. This is coming 3 under root 2 upon 2 minus 3 under root 2 upon 2, that is 0. Both values coming same, hence it is verified. In the same manner, all the questions of the exercise are to be solved. Wherever values to be asked to be calculated, answer is given. Otherwise, you have to show left and right sides are equal in the question. Now you simplify solve these questions on the concept I have explained with the help of 3 questions. So today you solve exercise 8B. Thank you.